So today I've got a lovely parcel from IceWhale. It's the new ZimaCube, as you can see. Zima blade for size comparison to Zima board. It's a little Pi 4 alternative, and the ZimaCube getting very well packed. I've got to say, it's an absolutely beautiful box. As far as packaging goes, it's gorgeous orange line following all the way around. ZimaCube. Let's open up and see what we've got inside. More packaging, of course. We have a box. The inside the box. Got our power brick. What have we got? 19 volt, 11.58 amp adapter, barrel connection, and clover for the power. Pop that one out of the way. So actually the cube itself is pretty solid, pretty heavy actually. Plenty of ventilation on all the sides. I will be making, or planning to make, some replacement side panels for these, and a replacement grille with a little tab to make things easier to plug and unplug. So as some have mentioned, the front panel can be a little difficult to remove. I found if you stick your nail in at the bottom and you can pluck it up, it's just held on by magnets here. As you know, removable drive cages, which look like they support both 2.5 and 3.5 inch drives. And that'll be about that for now. Obviously, I'll stick some more videos up when we get the top off.